Hello my dear friends. Today we are going to prepare the paratha and which is in the square shape. So why we are preparing the paratha in the square shape? This is very easy for the packing and easy to store. And sometimes if we want to make a roll or if we want to make a frankie, we can make it in a very better way in this style of the paratha. So that is why we are going to learn the square shape paratha. And believe me, this is very easy. Even a beginner can also roll this paratha in a very quick way. So we can see that how to roll and we will start the process. So as you can see here that when we are preparing this paratha, already I have prepared the dough and by adding little bit of salt and a little bit of oil. Prepare the dough and keep it in a place and cover the dough with a cloth which is moist, and after some time you start the preparation. So in the meanwhile, when your dough is resting, you are going to give the time to the dough to develop the strength as well as to make the paratha more tasty and easy to roll. So that's why we are giving some time to rest for the dough. Now let's start the process of making the paratha. And for this paratha we need the ingredients flour, water and oil. We are not going to add more oil in the cooking. We will add less oil, but it totally depends upon your style as well as your interest. If you want to add more, you can add, and I will show you in the process that how we are adding it. So now I have taken a ball, and then now we will roll this ball in a shape of circle. From the circle we are going to transform the circle into the square. So now see how I am going to roll this ball and making a circle that is like a chapati. From the chapati, transition is going to be done. So with this process now our chapati is ready, and after making this chapati we will add a little bit of oil. I am using desi ghee over here. Spread the desi ghee evenly. Take a little bit quantity because I don't want to add more fat over here, so that's why I have added little bit. Fold these corners and similarly fold other two corners also, make them join. Now our shape is ready. Now this shape we will try to manage and maintain while rolling this paratha. So you can see this shape. Now see how we are going to roll. When we are going to roll, we have to keep something in our mind. So now when we are rolling this, you have to take your roller along the corners. Please do not put your roller in the between, because if you are putting the roller in between, then there might be a possibility that your paratha will become very thin in from the center, and from the corners it is thick only. So to evenly distribute, it's better to make your roller side by or just side by the corners. You roll the paratha. So in this way your paratha will get a proper shape. As you can see here, paratha is very properly shaped, and I will show you the process of cooking also. You can see that how good paratha is coming out. So now let's see the second step or the second style. We can see how we are going to roll and prepare the square shape. So the process is similar. We have taken the dough and then we are preparing the chapati first. After preparing the chapati, we'll repeat our process. Friends, in this process, when I am applying the oil, it is totally up to you that how much oil you are putting. The thing is that why we are putting oil over here, we are putting the oil so that the paratha will not become very dry, and during the process of toasting the paratha I am not going to add more oil also. I will show you that step also. So now see, I have joined all the corners, right? After joining the corners, I am going to roll this shape which is coming in this way. I'll put some flour, and after using the dry flour I'll just roll in this shape. Now see the rolling, how I am doing the roll. So friends, as you can see, now we are going to prepare our paratha, and for this I am not using more oil, because we always love to eat the paratha, but because of the oil consumption we are avoiding it. But now with this process there is no need for you to put the more oil. This is very important for toasting the paratha, that first you have to make this first surface dry, and then immediately you have to turn the paratha down, so that the evenly spread of heat will be there in the paratha, and your paratha will come properly. As you can see that after some time I have changed the side of the paratha. Now I am going to apply one little bit a spoon of the oil, and I will use this much oil to for both the surface. I'm not going to apply another spoon for another surface or the next surface, but with this oil I am going to cook the paratha, full paratha, in this much oil. And of course, yes, I'm using the non-stick pan, so you can also use the non-stick pan to avoid more consumption of the oil. And just by pressing little bit, you have to toast the paratha or toast the bread, so that even distribution of the heat will be there, and then corners and other sides will get properly cooked. And it depends upon your taste, that how much crispiness you want. And one more thing friends, if you want to add more oil, you can add it, it's totally up to you. But now I am showing that with less oil also it is possible to prepare the paratha, and that is very soft. And if you are planning for a trip, you can roll this paratha and carry this in your backpack. And if you are preparing, going for the office, you are preparing the tiffin, then also it is very good. Now you can see the next step or another roll also, so that you will get comfortable in rolling this paratha. So you can see from this that how the paratha is getting rolled from the chapati to the square shape. So see friend, this texture of the paratha, how paratha came very nicely, and you can see the layers also. And this paratha is very soft from inside, because we have applied the oil. So because of the oil, the paratha is also soft, and it will remain soft for certain hours. So that's what I said, that if you are making a plan to carry the paratha, you can carry it for the lunch as well as for the travel.